What's up with YouTube? Back with another. Your favorite square is back all day. Oh yeah, check the head out. Yeah, so I have a treat for you today. Behind me is a new vehicle I just picked up. You know, it's just added on to the channel, you know what I'm saying? So it's, you know, G8 is locked up somewhere, the Cadillac is down the street, and we got a new whip today. So the new whip, you know, it's kind of like Beauty and the Beast, you know what I'm saying? I already got the Beast, Beauty. So got a good deal, crazy deal on it, homeboy hooked me up, crazy deal, cheap. So, you know, something I wanted to drive sooner or later. I wanted to drive probably later down the line, but you know, it is what it is. I got one, so I'm just gonna add it to the collection, you know what I'm saying? So, just got off, really just changed my shirt, the hat, and that was it. I still got my work clothes on. But here is the new car. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this car video. It's gonna be short, I know, I'm just trying to do something. It's hard to record due to the virus and all this stuff going, so it's hard to make content. The G8 is on hold for now. Too much money in there. Seems like I can't find a mechanic to actually fix my car for the right price. So it's gonna be down for a minute. So I bought a new toy if I can, you know, record here now. G8 is locked up, so I can still record off the G8, but it's not much to record unless y'all just want to know like what's wrong with the G8. I'll give y'all like footage of that, but other than that, Cadillac is at home sleep, you know, quarantine, you already know, 6 foot apart, don't want to bother it. But this is gonna be my new toy I'm in probably daily. Car's good, only 113 miles on it, 113,000 miles on it. 2006, it's not a bad car. I mean, like smooth. So Stay tuned to more videos. Just be patient. The videos are coming. I just gotta add by 3 or 4 days into one video, but I'm trying to do my best to post. I know I haven't posted in a minute, but yeah, stay tuned to more videos. I'm out of here.